Hi everybody, I've got some exciting news for you today. The Thermomix Friend has launched in the UK. Woohoo! So I'm going to unbox the Friend and we're going to find out exactly what this Friend is all about. Okay, so I've unboxed my new friend. Oh, so nice to have a friend in these lockdown times, to know that we can actually meet up with a friend. All right, so this is so cute. It's so tiny. And as a result of that, I might just add that you can just slip it away into a cupboard. And when you need it, bring out your friend. So it's like having a second Thermomix that isn't going to take up all the space on your countertop. Just a weeny tiny little Thermomix that you can pop into your cupboard. So the obligatory user manual comes with your friend, but also a little recipe booklet and a guide to tell you about all the amazing things that you can make with your friend. So we've got some vegetable curry with rice, cauliflower cheese, beef bourguignon with warm lemon pudding and a lemon syrup. So you're going to be making whole meals with this friend. It's going to expand your ability to cook in your Thermomix. Here we have a gnocchi in tomato and mascarpone sauce with a broccoli salad and a fruit sorbet. So that is really giving you a whole meal, starter, main course, and pudding. And knowing Thermomix the way that I do, it's going to be whipped up in just a fraction of the time. Okay, so your Thermomix Friend is like a mini Thermomix. You can put it next to your Thermomix. So you've got your Thermomix and your friend plugged in, ready to go. Now the bonus with the Friend is that you can actually use it with a TM5 as well as a TM6. So if you don't have two bowls for your TM6 and you're using a TM6, you can also use your Friend with a TM5 bowl. That's quite handy for some of us who had TM5s, as you can see in the background, and don't currently have a second bowl for the TM6. So there's various ways that you can use the Friend. One of the ways is that you would use these integrated recipes that are already pre-programmed on Cookie Do, and at that point the Thermomix is going to talk to the Friend and it's going to be pre-programming it with what is required within the recipe. So that's one way you can use the Friend. Another option for using the Friend is if you have various dietary requirements in your house. So for instance, some of you are vegetarian and some of you are meat eaters. So you can make a sauce in your TM6 and then split that sauce out, add it to a second bowl to put it in the Friend, and then add, say, meat to the TM6 and vegetables to the TM Friend, and then allow them to both cook alongside. That's also going to work if you've got fussy eaters. So for instance, one child will only eat a red sauce and the other child wants the white sauce. You can make them both at exactly the same time. And the third way you can use the TM Friend is to make something in the Thermomix that will then need just cooking on a low speed, transfer it to the Friend and carry on using your Thermomix to make other food, for instance, puddings, desserts, starters, or whatever else you would like to do. So if you're going to be using the Friend and you're just freestyling with it and it's not pre-programmed and guided by the TM6 within a Cookie Do recipe, then you can just work with the functions on the screen. Now it's not touch screen like the TM6, but it's really simple. So every time you click on this button, it just simply moves to the next function, and then you just use the dial to turn it up and down. Another great use for the Thermomix Friend is if you want to batch cook. So you're going to be making something that you're going to eat, say, for lunch, and then you want to make some other portions to put in the freezer. Make it in the Thermomix, add it to the Friend to keep cooking, and then make another batch in your Thermomix. So there's loads of really useful ways to use the Friend, and as I mentioned earlier, it's like having a second Thermomix in your kitchen without having to worry about the storage. You can just unplug it when you're finished, give it a wipe down, and pop it away into the cupboard. So as I mentioned, the Friend has been launched in the UK this week, but it's only available as part of a bundle with a Thermomix. So that doesn't mean if you want a friend, you're not going to be able to get hold of one. Think about any friends who would like a Thermomix and do a joint combination purchase, which means you can both save a little bit of money on that ultimate price. Because the combination price for this month is £1,499, which is £179 saving. So if you want a friend this month and you've already got a Thermomix, whether it's a TM5 or a TM6, try and combine the order with a friend. And if you haven't got a Thermomix, then it's the perfect opportunity to save yourself some money and get the Thermomix and the friend bundle, but they are only available via advisors for this month of February. So all of February, you can only get your friend through an advisor like myself. So the friend will be launched at some point on its own. We don't know when that's going to be. We haven't got any updated information, but I've given you a lot of different ways you can get your hands on a friend. And I personally think it is a fabulous product, and I'm going to really enjoy using my friend alongside my TM6. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like any further information, my details are coming below. Do give me a shout, more than happy to help. And I hope you are having a very happy, productive day and that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share with friends or sub. That would be awesome. Still trying to get to 1,000 subs. I'm getting really close now, so I really appreciate all the love. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.